Hey everyone, welcome back. This is everything I'm picking up at Publix for the sales week of November 18th through November 24th, or the 19th through the 25th. I'm going to take you through the store, show you everything I got, all the coupons I'm using, and then we'll go over the final numbers at the end whenever I get home. This week, the Fisher's baking nuts are buy one, get one free. I'm going to pick up 4 of these walnuts at $5.99. That's going to bring me to $11.98. I'm going to use 4 of these $1 off of 1. I'll be left to pay $7.98, but Ibotta's going to give me back $2 for each one, making them completely free. So I did this deal last week. These Del Monte veggie bowls are 2 for $4. We have these $1 off of 1 manufacturer coupons. I'm going to pick up 2 for $4. These $2 will take off $2. I'll pay $2, get back $1.50 on Ibotta, making the final cost only 50 cents or 25 cents each. This week, the Del Monte veggies are buy one, get one free at $1.44. I'm going to pick up 4 for $2.88. I'm going to use this 50 cent off of 4. I'll pay $2.38 or about 64 cents each. So this kind of Barilla pasta is priced at $2.49 in my store. For the most part, all of them are. I'm going to pick up 1. Ibotta's going to give me back 75 cents, and then Shopkick is going to give me back 200 kicks or 80 cents, making the final cost only 94 cents for 1. So this week, the Mueller pasta is buy one, get one free at $1.69. I'm going to pick up 2 of these corkscrews, use the 75 cent off of 2. I'll pay 94 cents in the store, get back 75 cents for buying 2 on Ibotta, making the final cost only 19 cents or about 10 cents each. So these Let Me Shine dish detergents are priced at $8.99. These are the 30 counts. I'm going to pick up 2 for $17.98. I have a $2 digital. I'll pay $15.98 in the store. Shopkick is offering back 850 kicks, which is $3.40. And then Swagbucks is offering 1,000, which is $10. I'll get back $13.40 for these 2, making the final cost $2.58 for both, or $1.29 each. This week, the Arm & Hammer in-wash freshness boosters are buy one, get one free at $5.49. I'm going to pick one up at half BOGO for $2.74. Use this $1.50 off of 1 from the Publix green flyer, making the final cost for 1 just $1.24. This week, the Arm & Hammer detergent is buy one, get one free at $6.49. I'm going to pick up one of the packs at $3.24. I'm going to use the $1.50 from the Publix green flyer and this $1 peely that I got from the packs I bought at Walgreens a couple weeks back. That's going to leave me to pay 74 cents in the store. I'm going to get back 200 swagbucks, which is equal to $2, and 130 kicks on Shopkick, 30 for scanning it in the store and 100 kicks for buying it, giving me back 52 cents. Making this one item $1.66 moneymaker. I wanted to do the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent deal, but my store is completely out. So the per sale this week is buy 2, get $10 off. I'm going to ask somebody if they can reach those packs for me. These are priced at $11.99. That'll bring me to $23.98. The $10 will come off, making it $13.98. Then we got $3 off of 1 in the Sunday's paper for the 38 count or larger, and then a $2 off of any. That'll leave me to pay $8.98 in the store. But Checkout 51 is offering back $3 on 1, and Swagbucks is offering 300 Swagbucks. If you submit them to both, one of the other might not go through, but if they both go through, the final cost for both will be $2.98. Okay guys, so I found them. They were on the end cap. I'm going to pick up 2, buy one, get one free at $6.49. I'm going to use 2 of these $1.50 off of 1, a manufacturer coupon for $1 off of 1, and then the printable coupon that I got from coupons.com. That'll leave me to pay $1.49 for 2, or 74 cents each. This week, the Brookstones cottage cheese is buy one, get one free at $2.90. I'm going to pick one up at half BOGO for $1.45. Ibotta's going to give me back 75 cents, making the final cost 70 cents for 1. And then the sour cream is also buy one, get one free at $2.40. I'm going to pick up one at $1.20. Ibotta's going to give me $1, making the final cost only 20 cents. Okay everyone, I made it back home from Publix. I'm going to go ahead and go over the receipt and tell you the final cost for everything. Here are the Fisher walnuts, buy one, get one free at $5.99. The Let Me Shine, $8.99 each. Mueller's pasta was $1.69, buy one, get one free. Arm & Hammer booster was $5.49, half off at $2.74. The Del Monte veggie bowls were 2 for $4. They rang up $2 each. This is the sour cream. No, this is the cottage cheese. It says CC. So $2.90, half off at $1.45. The Del Monte green beans were 72 cents each. Buy one get one free at $1.44. The sour cream was $2.40, half off at $1.20. Arm & Hammer packs were $6.49. Buy one get one free. Barilla pasta $2.49. Arm & Hammer. Fresh Scent is the detergent, so buy one get one free at $6.49. And the Persil disc $11.99 each. $10 come off when you buy 2. All of my coupons came off, everything that I showed you in the video. My subtotal was $46.88, $50.95 with tax. I used the $5 gift card that I got last week when they had the deal on the Axe and the Dove. I paid $45.95. I had a total savings of $66.91. The only mistake I made was Arm & Hammer this week. The packs are also buy one get one free at $6.49. I picked up one. I didn't read the swagbuck offer correctly. It's $2 back when you buy 2, so I only got back 50 cents for one. I paid 24 cents for one. It would have been a 51-cent moneymaker if I would have picked up 2. I would have just used another $1 peely. So that's the only thing that I did wrong. Also on the Persil, they were $11.99 each, brought me to $23.98. $10 came off. Came down to $13.98. Then I used 3 off of 1 and a 2 off of 1. I paid $8.98 and got back 300 swagbucks or $3. And both of them were $5.98 or $2.99 each. Do look out for an Ibotta rebate. Usually when we get coupons or this deal comes around, we usually get an Ibotta rebate, and I think it's $2 back. So maybe if we get one, they will be even cheaper. Just look down in the comments. I usually pin a comment if I find a rebate the next day. I got back $15.70 on Ibotta. I got back $13.50 swagbucks, which is equal to $13.50, and I got back 1,150 kicks on Shopkick, or $4.60. Final cost for everything, my subtotal was $46.88. I used the $5 gift card from last week. Then I got back $15.75 on Ibotta. I got back $13.50 on swagbucks, and then I got back $4.60 on Shopkick. That made my final cost only $8.03 divided by the 23 items, about 34 cents each. With my tax, the final cost for everything was only $12.10. I think that's a really good deal for all the laundry items I picked up. One of the Persils is $12 by itself. That does bring us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.